$5,000 profit made in 1 week using this amazing Forex AI robot, the EU Core. Now, in this video, I'm going to be sharing different accounts so that you can see the progression of how the EU Core robot is actually trading on this account. And also, I'm going to be showing you 3 different ways that you can use to get started on using the EU Core robot. So, without any further ado, let's go. EU Core is a very simple plug and play system that requires zero knowledge. You do not have to understand the nitty-gritties of the Forex market before you can start maximizing your profit and minimizing your risk using the EU Core robot. It simply analyzes the market for you, scans the market, it opens the trades, closes the trades, and also manages your risk. It does everything on your behalf. So it's more or less like a plug and forget, right? So that is basically how the EU Core system works, with a mechanical strategy and approach that gives an edge to the trading system, guys. It's very beautiful and very, very simple. So now let me show you some accounts that we've been running using EU Core and how they've been faring so far and making magnificent profits, right? So let us start with this account. All right, guys, so right here what you're seeing is one of the accounts that we're running using the EU Core robot system. And from here, this is the My FX book. So I like to show this so that you can see how you can see the whole data right from behind the scene, and because a lot of people like to request for My FX book because they want to see the authenticity of what the bot is actually doing. Right on the screen right here, you can see this is actually the account, right? This is the account, this is the profit made so far on this account, the deposit, and I'm going to be corresponding everything with what you're seeing in the My FX book right here. So right here you can see 180% gain, right? 180%. That is to tell you that this particular account has done over 180%, and this is a small account. So we're going to be progressing from a smaller account to much larger accounts. So you don't have a problem if you have a small account or if you have a very large account. The EU Core is ready to maximize profits for you. So right here you can see this is the deposit of this account, $900, and there's a withdrawal of $1,000 being made on this account, and the current balance of this account is sitting at $1,300, guys. So you can see 180%, and let me show you the progression monthly. Now I've showed you guys this before. This account started I think 29th January, or is it 26th January, towards the end part of January, and it has made 6% within that period. And February was a very beautiful month, right? February, the month of February, Valentine's month, was a very beautiful month, and this robot made 106% in 1 month. Now we're in the month of March, and March is not over yet, but you can see so far 26% on this account. This is beautiful, guys. This is a magnificent progression on this particular account. Now let me show you another account. Okay, so this is another account, and you can see the progression on this account right now. Look at the graph, right? The growth graph. It is very amazing. Look at the drawdown we had here, 7.9%. Then you see it has just kept moving higher and higher and higher. Beautiful progression, right? So you can see 41% gain on this account, and you can see the deposit on this account here, 899, and the profit made so far, the account is currently sitting on 1,226. This is very beautiful, right? You can see the progression. Now let me show you the monthly flow of this account. Now everything is just exponential with this account, right? So this account started trading in February, I think mid-February or so, and it did 10%, and now in the month of March this account is already up by 27%. Now look at the real account on the MT4. You can see everything aligns with what I'm showing you on the FX book, right? So the data, everything corresponds to show you that this is a real account, and the progression and everything is amazingly beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Now this is a small account, so let's go to a much larger account so that I can show you a little bit of what the big boys are enjoying using the EU Core. So regardless of whether you have small accounts or large accounts, guys, I told you that EU Core is going to trade that account for you with peace of mind. Very, very important. Peace of mind, right? So guys, you can see this is a $68,000 account, currently $68,000. So this account just started recently. It's not even up to a month yet. You can see progression, right? So just on this month, and we're already up 6% on this account. 6% on this. So let's see, the deposit was $64,000, and currently we're sitting at $68,000. Beautiful. So what happens is that when you connect the EU core trading robot to your account, immediately it starts trading on your account. And guys, it is everyday profits. Every single day you wake up in the morning, you're going to see profit. And if you want to see how the progressions of this account actually really go, right? So in the link of the in the description of this video, I'll drop a Telegram link where I post the instructions and all the results every single day as they come to me based on the ones that I have, and maybe results from other users as well. I do also post them in that group, so you can see the progression of this account. Like, you can tell that every day we are always in profits regardless of the market condition. This bot is going to manage those risks and always end up in profit because of the powerful and magnificent strategy behind the EU core robot, guys. So let me show you guys one more example. This one is probably not on FX book because the data was archived by the broker, and so we only can show you this account from the MT4 directly. You can see how powerful this account has been performing so far. All right, guys, so you made it this far. Congratulations to you. Now I'm going to be explaining the 3 things you need to start making profits using this bot. Now, the number 1 thing is a broker. Basically, you need a broker to be able to access the Forex market, right? So, and in choosing a broker, you have to be very careful because we have so many brokers out there, but not every broker actually allows you to, get the best performance from a robot. And that is why I recommend the FBS broker. That is the broker that I use, and I'm going to be leaving a link in the description where you can actually register. The FBS broker really allows us to enjoy EU core in particular because the spreads are tight, and this makes it easier for the bot to be able to close trade. That is why sometimes you see some people who complain about, hey, my bot have not closed trade, but others have actually closed because of the broker they are using. So I strongly recommend that you use FBS broker. It is very powerful and is very efficient for what we are actually doing when it comes to automated trading. Now, second thing you need is a VPS. You cannot run this robot without a VPS, or you can actually, but you need your system to be on every single time. But in the case where your laptop is turned off, or your phone or your mobile phone is turned off, you can simply get your bot still running once you have a VPS. I'm also going to drop a link in the description to the VPS that I use. I'm not in any way affiliated to them, but I'm going to drop my affiliate link so you can use it. Or if you have any other powerful VPS that you know is working for you, that's perfect. You just go ahead and use that. But in case you don't even know how to get a VPS or whatsoever, we are going to help you. Personally, I am going to help you. My WhatsApp number is in the description of this video. We're going to get you through every step of the way until your bot is fully set up. Now, the third thing and the last thing you actually need is the robot file, the EU core itself, because if you do not have access to it, you will not be able to use it. It's that simple, guys. So you need to have access to this, and to get access to this robot, all you just have to do is send me a DM in my WhatsApp or the Telegram, and I will give you the process on how to get access to this EU core. You can use it for account management, or you can outrightly just get it and use it on your account personally, right? So these are basically the 3 things you need to get set up, and if you have all 3 in place, trust me, you're good to go. The moment you install the robot and connect, immediately you're going to start seeing results, and that I promise you, guys, it's beautiful. So just like I said, if you want to keep seeing updates on many more accounts that I'm going to be sharing, make sure you join our Telegram channel and follow up for many more updates. And you can also reach out to me on Telegram or on WhatsApp so you can get your account sorted out immediately. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do that right now so that you can follow up on every good things that I'm going to be dropping for you guys, especially on EU core robot. It's really exciting. This is 2025. It's time to make a difference in your trading journey using the automated system, and we have the best automated system that you can find. Give it a try. After 1 week, if you don't like it, trust me, you're gonna love it. All right, guys, see you in the next video. Bye for now.